Good day, everyone. I'm Winford Esponilla from BSECE 3B, and I am here to present to you my performance task number 7 in ECE 41. So, let's get started. Terms to be used and discussed. This performance task is all about the fiber optic terms and definitions. So, we are tasked to choose three terms based on the initial letters of our first name, middle name, and last name. So for the first term I used, which is based on letter W, I chose 1. And for the middle name, which is based on letter M, I chose mode filter. And for my last name, which is based on the letter E, I chose external modulation. So for the first letter, which is the 1 is a wide area network. It is a telecommunications network that extends over a large geographic area for the primary purpose of computer networking. It is not tied to a single location. This is an example of a 1. This 1 is made from several LANs or local area networks connected together. To add up some example, an internet is also a 1. A network of bank cash dispensers is also a 1. A school network, which is usually a LAN, is connected to a 1. For example, a school network could be connected to the internet. Next is the applications of 1. So the first one is an email. This email could either be used in Google, Yahoo, or any other email platforms. Next one is video conferencing. It could either be used in online classes or online meetings. Next is document exchange. From one device or one laptop to another laptop, you can change documents based on your preference or documents you want to share to other people. And for the last one is the database access. An example is in the weather station. This weather station results is transferred to a local server, and this local server is transferred to a remote server where people will know what is the weather for today. Next is mode filter. It is a device that removes higher order modes to simulate equilibrium mode distribution. It is an edge-preserving smoothing filter by taking the mode of the empirical density. This may have applications in image processing, such as segmentation. This is an example of a mode filter. A mandrel is the original photo. The mean is the blurry photo. And the median is slightly seen photo. And this mode is an example of a mode filtered. Next one is this photo, like blurry one. As you can see, you can identify what is the meaning of the photo through this mode filter. And for the last term, the external modulation. Modulation of output of a light source by an external device. It occurs when the laser chirp exceeds half the desired channel spacing in the communication system. This is the process. An electronic modulated current or a laser diode will enter to the optical external modulator. It will be transferred to the SMF, or what we call single mode fibers. These single mode fibers will be transferred to photodiode, and this photodiode will be transferred to the users, wherein people can access through the internet or any other devices. When direct modulation is used in a laser transmitter, the process of turning the laser on and off with an electrical drive current produces a widening of the laser line width referred to as chirp. So for the first concept, the optical source injects a constant amplitude light signal into an external modulator. The electrical driving signal changes the optical power that exceeds the external modulator. This produces a time-varying optical signal. So next concept is the electro-optical EO phase modulator, or what we call Mach-Zehnder modulator, or MZM. Typically is made of LiNBO3, or what we call lithium niobate. This lithium niobate is a known materially occurring salt consisting of niobium, lithium, and oxygen. This is the external modulated spectrum. It is a typical spectrum that is double sideband. However, single sideband is possible, which is useful at extreme RF frequency. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a great day.